Okay, he's working on the hive. Just came in from dumping in some of those things from the car. I thought we'd be camping out late, meaning at first we thought we were going to get the bees at 9 o'clock. And the way the errands were, we were going to have to
crushed bees. That's why they...
Well, I'm sure it's just...
I'm sure he didn't mean it, but that's why they're so upset. The ones that got crushed, they left a pheromone.
Well, it was a tricky maneuver. Because we had to put it in the car, we had to wait for them to swim in. So...
Some of them got propolis on them.
So... So they're swarming to see their new place, is that it?
Yeah, they've got to get accustomed to it.
Now look and see if their wings are spread out, because remember the other ones, their wings are...
No, their wings are right tight.
They said that if their wings are spread out, which it seemed that was true, I guess, because they have a queen, their wings are different, right? So believe it or not, they really don't care about us, but... A lot of people that have hives seem to want to wear their bee suits, so they probably know more than I do, at least. We got baby chicks running out there.
Yeah, we'll get them.
I just saw them out there.
I'm gonna leave this stuff.
So I'm gonna walk away from these guys. This is jumping a little bit. I don't know why. I don't know. I think they saw us working with the bees and just said something. Okay, let's go over here and see what's going on. Just gonna see. Things can happen all the time. So there's the baby chick out. So they found some place.